A prayer of intercession for people who are not my friends. Heavenly Lord, I come to you today with thanksgiving for the life that you have given to me. I count it a privilege that I can speak blessings over my family members, my co-workers, and my friends. Lord, help me to extend my intercessions and blessings to those who are not my friends. Please help me to love others as you love me. Please help me to forgive anyone who I feel has offended me. Please help me to ask for forgiveness from anyone whom I have wronged. Please restore my relationships that have broken down. Please help me to remember that you love us all. Allow me to be an example of godly living to everyone who passes my way today. Please give me a chance to bring someone who I haven't loved into your kingdom today. Amen.